So exercise 13.2 based on the independent and dependent event. Now for the independent event, if E and F are independent, or we can say that E and F are independent event, if and if only probability of E intersection F equals to P of E into P of F. If they satisfy this condition, then we can say that they are independent, or if they are independent, then they must be satisfied this condition. Now the result of the independent events are, let E and F are two independent events. Then first one is E and E dash F dash, both are also independent. Then you can also consider E dash means complement of E, and F is also independent. And the last one is the complement of both the probability means E dash and F dash is also independent. So in first question we have already discussed if P or E and F are independent event. So here A and B are independent events. Therefore P of A intersection B can be written as P of A multiplied with the P of B. Now substitute the value. P of A is 3 by 5 and P of B is 1 by 5. So it becomes 3 by 15.
Okay, say in question what is given that two cards are drawn away at the random without replacement. So without replacement means out of 52 कार्ड, इस 52 कार्ड में से मैंने वन कार्ड निकाल लिया. अब मैं इस वन कार्ड को रिटर्न बॉक्स में तो नहीं रख रहा हूँ. Now the box has 51 card. Then again we have to select one card. So that's why they are independent. Okay, 26. So first we will write here total card 52. Then black card 26. So the probability of first black card is equals to 26 out of 52. So it will be 1 by 2.
Yes.
26 ones are 26 twos are. So it's 1 by 2. Now we have already selected the one black card. So the probability of second black card,
25 by 52.
right, 25 by 51.
1. 51.
Okay. So what will we write here? We will write both events are independent. Therefore, probability of so the probability of both black card will be 1 by 2 multiply with the 25 by 51. So final probability is 25 by 102. Now in question number third, again without replacement. So again it is an independent event. Now we have given that if all three oranges are good, So we have to select the orange. The box is provided for the cell, otherwise it is rejected. If the oranges are good, then we will select the box. So find the probability that the box contains 15 oranges out of 12 are good and 3 are bad.
सर मुझे इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट का मतलब समझ नहीं आया.
A box contains 15 oranges. So total orange in a box is 15. Now we have good oranges. ट्वेल्व. सो हमें कब उस बॉक्स को हम लेंगे जब वो सारे के सारे ऑरेंज गुड हो. तो सपोज मैंने एक ऑरेंज निकाला. सो आई हैव द प्रोबेबिलिटी आउट ऑफ 12 टू सेलेक्ट वन, राइट.
सर टोटल तो 15 है ना.
एज अ 3 इवेंट मान लेते. सो लेट राइट हियर, let A, B, and C are 3 events of selecting good orange. So probability of selecting first good orange will be denoted by P of A. So we have 12 options to select out of 15. Now in the same way, probability of second good orange, that is denoted by P of B. So we are not going to replace the orange. So first time we have 12 chances out of 15. Now we have already taken one good orange. So remaining will be 12 minus 1. So 11. So now we have to select out of 11 from the out of 14. क्योंकि हमने एक को रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं दिया. So remaining will be 14 and from the 14 11 are good. Now in the same way, third good orange, that is P of C. So now the remaining is 11 minus 1, so 10, and the total remaining is 14 minus 1, 13. So now we have probability 10 by 13. Now these 3 events are independent. So that's why we will write here probability of selecting box equals to P of A dot P of B dot P of C. Now multiply with this probability. So it's a 4 3 ja. No, it's not divisible by 4. Let's consider 2 7 ja, 2 6 ja. Then 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja, 5 2 ja. So final answer is 44 upon 91. So first we will write here sample space. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now they are marked with the red. So let's consider here. Let A be an event of even number. So that means A contain 2, 4, 6. And now we are considering be a red number. So that the 1, 2, and 3 are written in red number. Now let also consider that C be a green number. So that are written in green. 4, 5, 6. ओके सी तो यहाँ पे था नहीं, मैंने थर्ड वन सी सपोज कर लिया है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आर ए एंड बी आर इंडिपेंडेंट. आर ए एंड बी आर इंडिपेंडेंट means what? We have to find the red number that are also the even number. So first we will find here A intersection B. So A contain 2, 4, 6 and the B contain 1, 2, 3. So final intersecting number is 2. Now we have to find out whether they are independent or not. So first we will prove that either probability of A intersection B is equals to P of A into P of B. If they satisfy this condition, that means they are independent event. So let's first find the LHS part. That is probability of A intersection B. Now A intersection B contain one element. So it's a 1 by total 1 by 6. Now the LHS RHS part, P of A into P of B. So now P of A, there is 3 element out of 6. So it will be 1 3 by 6. And the P of B again contain 3 element in the red numbers. So 3 by 6. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So we can write here LHS is not equals to RHS. So A and B are not independent event. In mutually exclusive event, so let's suppose that let A and B are two mutually exclusive event. That means A intersection will be phi. At that time, we will use the formula of probability of A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So in question number 7, we have to find the value of P when they are mutually exclusive and the second when they are independent. So when they are mutually exclusive, so we can use the formula P of A union B is equals to P of A plus probability of B minus A intersection B. Now we know that they are mutually exclusive, therefore intersection will be phi. So that's why we can write here P of A intersection B is equals to 0. There is no element. Now just substitute all the value from this equation. So now we have P of A plus P of B. And now we are neglecting the last term because the intersection is 0. So we have union 3 by 5. P of A is 1 by 2 and P of B that is given here P. So the value of P is 3 by 5 minus half. It's a 1 by 10. Okay, now if we talk about the independent event, so we know that the probability of A intersection B. So that means when the two events are independent, so A intersection B is equals to P of A dot P of B. So when we substitute the value of P of A, that is 1 by 2 and this is the P by 2. So final is P by 2. Now we have to find the value. So again we will use the same formula to find the value of P. So again we know that P of A union B, P of A, P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now substitute here all value. So P of A union B 3 by 5, 1 by 2, P minus P by 2. So consider here 1, 3 by 5, 1 by 2 and this side 2, 2P minus P and this side LCM is 10. So it is 1 by 10 P by 2. So finally we have P is equals to 2 by 10. So that is 1 by 5. So now in this way you can find the probability of either mutually exclusive event, or we can also calculate the probability when both the events are independent.